guys, I'm Lance Camba from DLSUD, your campus roomie for Campus Crush. Today, we'll be asking Kulasayans to react to the latest P-pop group which is Phoenix. Kaya mula dito sa DLSUD, i-Campus Crush na yan. Hi, we're here with...
Daniel Franz.
Eunice Jamata.
Day Marian.
Hi, I'm Demi. Hi, my name is Ariana.
Okay, recently, ano yung mga pinapakinggan yung mga genre?
Rock and roll. K-pop.
For me, mga OPM.
Ako more on pop music kasi.
Ako more on R&B.
Ayan. So, have you heard the girl group Phoenix?
Hindi pa eh.
Yeah.
Ako medyo nakikita ko.
So, okay lang ba sa inyo mag-react to few of our videos?
Sure.
The best. So far, ano yung highlight dito sa music video na to?
I think yung step nila na gano'n.
Yes.
Pwedeng give nyo kami ng sample? Hey! Thank you. I think kaya nyo siya. Okay? Eh, ayan. Okay. Another question ba? Are you up for more videos?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. The best.
The best.
Hear the blending, the harmony, everything is giving.
Feeling ko kaya natin magpagsabayan. Go lang.
So in one word, sa tingin nyo, ano yung pinaka-meaning nung kanta for you?
Challenges.
Akin hope.
Ako courage talaga.
I think for me, it's climatic.
For me, emotional.
Are you up for more? Last na to.
Yes.
The best.
Phoenix.
Chaos on the streets of Manila.
We're here for a change.
Stand up for your
We're tired
rights.
of
Kasi
the system
Filipinos
of what we
deserve
call bureaucrat.
better.
Kasi yung music talaga nila nakaka-inspire. Ang galing.
Chaos on the streets of Manila.
We're here for a change in system. We're tired of the system of what we call bureaucrat.
Tama yan, tama.
The government is being run like
Stand up for your rights.
Purely out of love for the country. Purely out of love for the country.
See, current events, advocacy of Phoenix.
Yes. The best.
After watching all of the videos, ano yung thoughts nyo sa Phoenix?
Sige.
It's giving sincerity.
Akin naman, hindi lang siya about culture, pati yung pride ng Filipino, pati na din yung story nila that we are Filipinos are being empathetic.
For me, they're more than just a P-pop group. I think they showcase the reality of Filipinos in an entertaining way.
For me, nakaka-inspire sila. Katulad kong Pilipino, yes.
I think my overall reaction to Phoenix is that they are very good at communicating through their songs.